Hey there everyone, welcome back to Pankaj YouTube channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that many dream about, passive income. Specifically, we'll explore how you can earn passive income through YouTube. If you've ever wondered how to make money while you sleep, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First off, let's define passive income. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort required to maintain it. Unlike active income, where you trade your time for money like a 9-to-5 job, passive income allows you to earn money continuously even when you're not actively working. Now let's see how this applies to YouTube. YouTube is a fantastic platform for generating passive income. Here are a few key ways you can do this. 1. Ad revenue. Once you meet YouTube's monetization criteria, you can start earning through ads shown on your videos. This is one of the most common forms of passive income on the platform. 2. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services in your videos and including affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your link. 3. Merchandise sales. If you have a dedicated fan base, selling your own merchandise can provide a steady stream of income. 4th. Memberships and Patreon. Offering exclusive content to subscribers through memberships or platforms like Patreon can help you earn recurring income. 5. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or presets can provide passive income, especially if they cater to your audience's needs. Now let's talk about the type of content you can create that will generate passive income. Here are some ideas. 1. Tutorials and how-tos. Create evergreen content that teaches a skill. These videos can continue attracting views long after they're uploaded. 2. Product reviews. Reviewing products can help you earn through affiliate links. 3. Travel vlogs or lifestyle content. If you love traveling, sharing your experiences can attract a wide audience and lead to sponsorships. 4th. Finance and investment. Tips. Sharing knowledge about finance can attract viewers interested in increasing their wealth, leading to ad revenue and affiliate opportunities. 5. Motivational and inspirational content. These types of videos often resonate with viewers, leading to shares and increased views over time. Creating great content is just the first step. You also need to promote it. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Social media. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a broader audience. 2. SEO optimization. Use keywords in your title, description, and tags to make your videos more discoverable. 3. Collaborations. Partnering with other YouTubers can help you tap into their audience and grow your subscriber base. 4th. Engagement. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a community around your channel. To maximize your passive income potential, consider diversifying your monetization strategies. Don't rely solely on ad revenue. Instead, combine multiple income streams like affiliate marketing and merchandise sales to create a more stable income. Remember, building passive income through YouTube takes time and consistency. It's essential to stay committed and keep producing quality content. Some videos may take off quickly, while others might take months to gain traction. Patience is key. So there you have it. By leveraging YouTube effectively, you can create a sustainable source of passive income. Start by identifying your niche, creating valuable content, and promoting it wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What passive income strategies are you excited to try? Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.